It's a long story. You need another lecture for it. In short, I'll tell you, the soul is in 7 loops, is attached to our centers from the backside. And it reflects on our cells. There's a reflector, and in the cell there's a little part where it is reflected, and that is controlled like a remote control by the soul. But recently we have really discovered something great, that when you get realization, you'll find round things like that, clusters. Not only one, but many, sometimes one, like that. And also see commas like that, shiny commas. These commas are the vibrations of divine, what you call Chaitanya or Brahma, or this all-pervading power. But these round things that you see are the dead souls. Now recently one of our scientists has sent us the photograph of the reflection on the cells. It's exactly the same that you see. Gradually all these things are coming to express. Now somebody might say, I don't believe in dead souls. No, they are. They hang around, dissatisfied souls. They are there. So many diseases are caused only because of them. But if you know how to make yourself pure, they all run away.